exit the Waterfront Walk.
Won't you shut up, lady? Just kidding. Welcome home. Well, looks like it's a really nice day, and it is. However, it's about 7 degrees outside. .607, new room. This is the second room I've got. Let's check it out. Right on. Glass Museum, the cone-looking building up there, with the sky bridge that goes across with the glass encasement. Way over there, is the casino. I'm gonna go there. There's a car museum just down this way, which I'm headed to. And of course the right here, Union Station, which I also want to walk into. This is the art museum, right on. I'll go in. I want to take a quick look. Wow.
Welcome to the Tacoma Art Museum.
Yeah, I'm excited. I can't come in today, but I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah. Right on, folks. This is looking towards the convention center. A little bit of older downtown Tacoma. There's a Jay's Jobs. What's up with this fine chap? These are statues by Dale Chihuly. I think they're called rock candy. Not positive. I was gonna think about flying my drone between the two of them, but I don't know if that's a good idea, since there's probably a bunch of cameras around here. There's the overpass where it leads to the museum, which is this cone-looking building here, which I'm gonna visit it tomorrow after I do some work at MultiCare here in Tacoma. Venetian Wall, Dale Chihuly. I like this blue one down here. Ooh, that horny green bowl thing. Ooh, shattered. Yeah, I was wondering how they keep people from vandalizing this. Yeah, there's a camera right there. It's pretty here. Real calm today. Water looks like glass. And there's some really nice sized boats in here. It's a bit dark, but that's the Union Station. And it looks like it says United States Courthouse. Below, BNSF rail with some coal. Coal. Get some coal cuts. 44. Woo! Seconds, man.
Roy Rogers' horse Trigger used to be buried under there.
Roy's Rogers, who's what?
Roy Rogers?
Yeah. Oh, the cowboy guy.
His horse Trigger was buried alive under the W. Where the W is.
Really? Why would they do something like that?
Because Trigger had a heart attack. You call it a heart attack. He stopped breathing.
Yeah, that's interesting information.
My horse Dolly was buried to the right.
To the right of the W.
Yeah, down assembly.
So is this some sort of way of you trying to protest against it, or?
This is my Marine Institute of Therapy. This is literally like just what I was told to do to like kill time.
God. Some of those stories that kept going on and on. His dad said his dad was 118 when he had him, and his mom was 90, 100 and something or other, and that there was 18 of them. The story got really wacky. So this guy just opens his door, this place, and just chucks out this fucked up drink here, man. I walked into Jimmy's John's, man. There was a dude in there that he looked so high. There's no way I'm gonna let that guy make a sandwich for me. I don't even. That was two of the weirdest experiences right next to each other there. Interesting folk everywhere, man. And everyone calls me crazy. Jesus Christ. Hey, look. That's like obsidian. I don't want to touch this stuff because of fentanyl. Oh my God. Oh my God. It worked. So I'm drawing a Dr. Teal's bubble bath here. And I'm using this drain cover so I can fill it up higher than normal and it doesn't leak out on you. You go all the way up to here. Woohoo! There he is. Hi. Hi. Such a cutie. Returning back to Detroit, flying first class 2B 737-900ER.